This is how to share, delete, forward your WhatsApp story, the recent WhatsApp update 2023. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, go to your update section showing below your chat screen. Click on the update section. Go ahead and open the video or picture you want to forward, delete, or share. Now when you do that, click on the arrow showing below your screen. When you do that, when you click on the arrow showing below your screen, on your status view panel, you see the 3 dots showing on your screen. Now click on that 3 dots. Now this is the new method you can share, forward, and delete on your WhatsApp story 2023. You can go ahead and delete if you want to. You can go ahead and forward. You can go ahead and share as well. So as for me, I want to be deleting, so I'll click on the delete icon and it's gone. See you in the next video, guys. Stay safe.